next episode, you'll find out.
I think this is the new episode.
Does Trenton go home? Probably. Bryson, whatever they're name.
Bryce and Ellie?
Yeah. We gotta break up that group.
Sweat.
Exactly.
What happened to Trent?
And then we'll save Trent, because obviously no.
But
He's not gonna win.
He's won 2
We'll get him out. Well, he knows he's probably gonna go home, but we'll keep him for now.
He's never won a season by winning all the challenges, though.
Exactly. We'll just keep. He's not. We'll take him out. He's chilling, right?
If we work together.
Okay.
So I don't know. I don't mind making an alliance with you guys. If that's a good idea.
So here's the deal.
What's the deal?
Amanda. Gone.
Gone.
Like
Gone.
Gone, and more gone.
Okay, he wants to get out of Amanda. Is that what everyone wants?
Yeah, we've already talked about it. The plan is secured. You just trust me.
That's interesting. Okay.
So Amanda?
Cool. Apparently that's what we're doing. Yeah, they're talking about getting you out too.
Why me? Why is everyone
I don't know why everyone's going for you, but yeah, then they're also talking about getting me out, so I don't understand. So.
Well, yeah, for luck, and also because I had Moss with me. Moss just won all the challenges, I just tagged along.
That's funny.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm down
for
for
some
the
reason. I don't
rules.
like. I trust Wills.
I don't trust him at all.
Yeah.
No, because
He's evil.
we agreed on alliance, and then he kind of comes back and.
Yeah.
He's never in an alliance.
I don't know. Well, like I don't want to get him out, but I do want to get him. But I don't know.
Are you gonna stay? You're probably gonna stay neutral then, maybe.
I'm so
I'm gonna vote for
neutral, but I know
myself.
they all want to get me out. So
Just vote
I know
for
you
him.
guys don't. I don't want to vote you out either.
Oh, thank you.
I don't want to get anyone
I
out.
don't want to get out.
I don't want to get anyone out.
I say we
honestly.
just like vote for like. I don't know.
We don't even know.
Let's just vote Wells. Let's get it.
Okay, so we got us. I think we can convince definitely Amanda because she can understand the strategy of it. M's new, so she doesn't really get the game part of it. But I think we can convince her because if we get that'll be 5 people. If we get 5 people to vote for Trenton, he's out because there's only 8 people left, right?
But I think the rest of Brains is on board because we talked about that before. Where if they don't vote him off this round, we have to do this round immediately.
But Tim told me that Dylan and Wells were talking about splitting us up. So
But how do they do that?
I know. What are you guys scheming about? Alright.
Scheming to win.
You still gotta get Trent now.
We'll vote them all out. I'm gonna be the champion.
Yeah.
I figured out what duo we need to attack.
I don't remember their names. The other two besides Trent.
What are their names?
The girls.
Yeah.
Amanda and
We gotta break them up.
Amanda has to go.
Yes. Amanda's going home. Amanda's a tall one, right?
Yeah.
She's gone. We gotta take her out. She's too strong. See, they're all just a bunch of power couplers. Me, Will, you guys, then Amanda, and then Trent. You know what I mean. But I'm just saying, like, we gotta take out Amanda. We gotta start splitting apart these. Then we'll take out Trent. So then it's just us 4, and then we take them out.
Because think about it, if we take out Amanda, because we can easily sway Trenton and Spencer to do that, because they'll just think we're trying to eliminate all the new people. So if we get her
We'll
out,
still keep them thinking. We won't even tell them anything.
so if we get Amanda
He's
out,
going home. We'll tell them
so
that.
if we get Amanda out, then we can easily get her partner to sway with us, and then we can just completely destroy with like all of our votes. Trenton, Spencer, there's nothing they can do about it.
When
And-
they get immunity.
We won't let them get immunity. I mean, think about it, we have 4 of us, so we have a much higher chance of doing it. And then that puts us in the top 4 if we do that. So.
Welcome to your first individual immunity challenge. This is quite an interesting challenge. It is ring toss. Similar to chip toss, however, you are just tossing rings onto this. The point values on it do not matter. If you land a ring, you advance to the next round. If you're the only one to land a ring, you win individual immunity, or a trip to the bazaar, where you can uncover one of these 3 chests. Inside each chest is an advantage guaranteed to get you 1 step further in this game. Think carefully about this choice. Furthermore, addressing the challenge advantage from last round, Everyone who is a member on the Beast tribe will get an extra ring to toss. Normal people from the Brains tribe will get 2 rings. People from the Beast tribe will get 3 rings. Good luck, and you may begin tossing. Very well, Amanda and Spencer were the only 2 to land rings, meaning they've advanced to the next round and are now dueling each other. Spence, you have 3 rings, so do you, Amanda. Spence, you may toss. Spence lands 1. Spence lands 2. Amanda lands 1. Spencer wins.
Taking the blue box.
You're taking the blue box.
Can I have immunity then?
All right, Spencer takes the blue box from the bazaar.
An animal guards the treasure you seek. In order to find it, look behind the beak. I'd have to guess it's in the voting room. That's the only place I've seen a bird, really. There's a bird in the council room also, so I might have to check that one.
Alright, cool. So what's going on?
This is a secret.
That's a secret, okay. Did it give you like a little hint?
A little hint.
Just a
Nothing
little hint?
important.
Nothing important. Okay.
Next
alright.
round, we're in a tight spot.
Why?
Well, both teams want us to vote for them.
Sorry, say that.
Amanda wants us to vote with them.
Yeah, I know.
Dylan and Wills want us to vote with them.
I agree. I know.
So we're stuck in the middle.
I agree with that. And that's why I kind of just like, it's tough.
I think we should get out Wills because he's pretty good at this.
Me too, and it's
He's won multiple times.
Me too, I agree with that. But I definitely don't want to get Amanda out, and that's what they want me to do.
Thank you for winning, because that saves everything. You know who you're voting now?
Yeah, fine, Amanda.
Good talk. You know the game plan, let's go.
Hopefully Trent doesn't vote for himself and f everything up.
That sounds like what he's gonna do again.
Well, I think that
kind of
we're all
concerned
gonna
about
go with the challenge.
Bryson or whatever their group is.
I don't know.
You know what?
I don't know.
I'm kind of
not.
concerned about them.
I was a little concerned the first time, but they came through. They took up through this time, and then hope so.
I don't know. They're talking to Amanda. We're gonna have to see
After-
what
and then
I
after-
think we're gonna have to clarify with them. We're gonna have to talk.
But think about it. After that, it's 4 against what? 3?
Exactly. That's why we couldn't vote out Trent first because we need the numbers. Because I don't really trust them. Even though they're not really like on that side, I still, you know what I mean. So it's like we gotta be careful. We gotta, you know, like we gotta be.
If
Like,
Amanda goes this time, then it's an easy trip to the Final Four for all of us. So you know what? I'll see you boys there. Let's head out.
See you there.
Dylan and Wills want to vote you out. But I don't know about the other 2, Bryce and Allie, so I don't know what they're doing.
I think I'm probably gonna vote, I'm probably gonna vote Wills off. So, yeah, I don't know, because I don't want him, because I've heard he's won a lot of past challenges before. So, I mean, that would be the best way to go. But I don't know, he seems cool.
Very well, welcome to Tribal Council, your first time as a merged tribe. Although your first original tribes were with people you really didn't know coming into this game, over just the past 2 days have you bonded quite a bit.
Yeah, I can say that.
Wait, 2 hours could mean 2 days.
wait, actually, you're incorrect. It's been like.
It's been like 4 hours.
Well, you know what? It's going to be longer for a lot of us, but it's not going to be much longer for one of us here.
Why do you have to like state the
Speaking of
obvious?
that, since you have won 3 times, do you think that puts
Why do you have to make this public?
a target on your back tonight?
Yes.
No, because my
Yes.
lucky number
Yes.
is 4, and I'm going for number 4.
But the thing is, the 2 other quite big threats, Moss and Amanda, were heavily targeted because they made the finale last year.
I know,
Amanda
but,
barely.
Why are you guys targeting me? I'm not good at things.
Amanda barely survived the last vote, a tiebreaker, and Moss failed to survive.
You didn't
Wills
mention
and Trenton. Wills, you've won 3 times. Trenton, you won last season.
Ben won.
Do you think there's quite big targets on both of your backs tonight? And Spencer, you have this hidden advantage, which could be very useful.
Let me tell us what this is.
I don't know what it means really.
Okay, that's why you're.
It's like I'm just
That's why he's not
as you
voting.
guys.
Very well. There's so many relationships at this table that I have no clue what's going to happen tonight. Good luck to everyone, and you may vote. Amanda, you're first.
I'm chilling this tribal council. I'm chilling. I can already see where the vote is going to be at.
Before I read them, does anyone have the hidden immunity idol they would like to play? No one? Very well. I'll read the votes. First vote, Wills. That's one vote, Wills. Second vote, Amanda. One vote, Amanda. Next vote, Trenton. That is one vote, Trenton.
It was you
one
again.
vote, Wills. One vote, Amanda. Next vote, Dylan. That is one vote Dylan, one vote Trenton, one vote Wills, one vote Amanda.
This is so sick.
Next vote, Dylan. That's two votes Dylan, one vote Trenton, one vote Wills, one vote Amanda. Next vote, Wills. That's two votes Dylan, two votes Wills, one vote Trenton, one vote Amanda. Next vote, Amanda. That is two votes Amanda, two votes Dylan, two votes Wills, one vote Trenton, one vote left. Third
Stop
person,
looking at me.
Third person voted out of Social Survival Season 5. Dylan.
What?
I'm sorry, Dylan.
What?
Trenton.
You two idiots.
I did not vote you. I swear I did not vote
Honestly,
you.
I didn't vote.
I'll bail outside.
You did.
I voted.
One of you guys.
Did you vote Amanda?
Of course I did.
You voted for. You voted for one of
I
us.
didn't vote for you. I voted for you.
Why would you? Screw you, idiot.
But no, I only did that because they were all telling me that you were
no
voting
way.
me out.
No.
No, we were all voting for Amanda.
They've been trying to get us to vote you out. We kept
Yeah.
saying no.
Oh. But I didn't vote you out.
I told you to trust me.
I didn't know.
Looks like someone's not getting to the final four.
Wills.
Someone's not getting to the final four.
But I didn't vote Dylan though. So.
Well, now
Why
I
didn't you vote Amanda?
No, because they all were telling me that you guys were gonna vote me out. So then I was like,
So you
my
voted
best
who?
chances were to vote Wills.
We
Because
know
that's what they wanted to do.
Now I know where everyone stands, and now I know how to play. I'm a lone bird now. But you know what? It's okay. You guys can't vote me out if I win.
I'm confused. I can't say I'm surprised because I kind of thought they wanted to go towards me, but if these idiots would just vote where I want them to vote, this wouldn't happen. I don't know, man. It's whack.